Hariom. Now we will see the practical. The name of practical is local steam, which is also very important and beneficial practical for all types of joint pain, knee pain, frozen shoulder, ankle joint. For backbone also, this is very much useful practical. For all types of arthritis, this local steam practical is very important. For that, we are using water. When water gets boils and it turns into the steam, and that steam we are using for treatment. The steam will be used to cure the disease. Where the pain is there, we are putting that steam on that particular area, particular part of body. If the pain in the knee, then the flow of that steam will be given to that knee like a spray painting. For that we are using gas and some special type of cooker, and for that we are putting some only tap water, no any medicines, only water. And when the water get boils, it turns in the steam, and that steam came out through the pipe, and that steam we will put on the particular paining part of the body. So this local steam we will give for 10 to 15 minutes twice a day, and minimum for 5 to 10 days for all types of diseases. Twice a day, 10 to 15 minutes local steam. Before giving local steam, particular part of the body, put some sesame oil on that part of body. If you are giving local steam to the knee, put some sesame oil on that knee, and then give the local steam treatment. So keep this treatment going on for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, please stop the steam and remove all the wet part from the body, dry it, and give Shavasana 10 to 15 minutes to the patient. Hariom. Hariom. You can see the instruments using for local steam: gas, cylinder, that cooker, and water inside. The steam is coming from this pipe, and this is the special type of the instrument which we can hold it. Otherwise, you can put the napkin for the pipe and use this. Be careful, this is very much hot. So if the drops will on the skin will burn. So be careful and take care of the patient. This flow of steam will be given to the paining part of the body. Now you can see here. Now you can see that he is giving local steam to the knee, but before that put sesame oil on the knee. See, no need of giving the massage, just put the sesame oil on that particular part where you are giving the local steam treatment. Cover that part with oil, sesame oil, and then you can give the local steam slowly. And if you are giving local steam to the knee, not from front side, give the local steam from back side also. And put there sesame oil. Now we can use this steam. See the distance and some drops. Please be careful. The distance is also important. You can see the temperature by putting your hand. You can see the temperature. And remove, please revolve this pipe, local steam pipe. Don't put one side. Keep moving. Keep moving. That is also very important. Slowly, very good. Give this local steam for 10 to 15 minutes for each part of body, the paining part of body. You can give this local steam for knee joint, ankle joint, wrist joint, elbow joint, frozen shoulder, for backbone. But before that, put sesame oil, give 10 to 15 minutes local steam. Please revolve the steam. Don't put at one place, otherwise the skin will burn. And give this treatment for 10 to 15 minutes. Each part, whichever is paining. Be careful, the water coming from that pipe is very much hot. So be careful. And that steam is also very hot. Give the local steam not from front side, from back side also. Please stand. Yes, very good. Hatla, hatla. Yes, very good. Like this. Back side also. We are giving heat to our body. The blood vessels expands and blood circulation get normal. That is the important part. So all types of joint pain, for arthritis also it is good. But if all the joints are paining, then give full steam bath. Local steam for one part of body. For all joint pain, you can give steam bath. After 10-15 minutes, please off the cooker. Yes. Please first off the cooker and then please go on giving the steam, local steam. And slowly steam gets, the speed of steam is coming down, and then stop the giving local steam. Dry it with towel or napkin. And tell the patient, don't go in the air. Cover it